In a shocking turn of events, Taapsee Pannu and filmmaker Anurag Kashyap have landed in trouble with the Income Tax Department. According to latest reports, their properties in Mumbai are currently under the scanner of the Income Tax Department. Raids are being conducted by the investigating agency at Taapsee Pannu and Anurag Kashyap's properties in the city as confirmed by the IT officials. According to a source, tax evasion angle is being probed and those related to production house Phantom Films will also be under the scanner. The searches are a part of a tax evasion probe and conducted at about 20 locations in Mumbai and Pune. Additionally, searches were at locations associated with film producer Vikas Behel and their production company Phantom Films. Phantom Films, that has been disbanded now, was a film production and distribution company started by Anurag Kashyap, director Vikram Aditya Motwane, and producer Madhu Mantena and Vikas Behel. It was established in 2011 before getting dissolved in October 2018. Behel was accused of sexual harassment, following which the production company dissolved. While the searches are being conducted on the basis of tax evasion, many on the internet are also claiming that Taapsee and Anurag have come under the radar because the two have been vocal about the government policies in India. People are questioning if the Income Tax Department is being misused. But the IT officials have confirmed that they had proof that Phantom Films is involved in huge tax evasion. Interestingly, Taapsee Pannu recently began shooting for director Anurag Kashyap's upcoming thriller Dobara. The film marked their third collaboration after Man Marziyan and Saan Ki Aankh. Taapsee had shared a candid picture from the sets with Anurag last month and shared, "Because some collaborations deserve to be repeated, ready to create more memories because we were running out of Man Marziyan stories to tell." Some executives of celebrity and talent management company Kwon are also being raided. As per the reports, some interlinked transactions between the entities searched are under the scanner of the department, and the raids are aimed at gathering more evidence to further probe tax evasion allegations. The searches against Madhu Mantena are also being carried out in the context of his links with Kwon, of which he was a co-promoter. Meanwhile, more details on the IT raid are still awaited.